Hey there, it's Polly Peters. In this video, I want to talk about paleo diet recipes and give you one simple recipe to help you with the paleo diet. But before that, I want to share with you my story about who I am so we can get to know each other better. I'm currently diabetes free and at a weight I'm happy with. I've lowered my A1C level to the point I am no longer diabetic, and I was able to stop medication. But it wasn't always like that in the past. In fact, I used to really struggle with my diabetes and weight. In 4 years, I lost a total of 7.5 pounds. Doing vegan, Weight Watchers, gluten-free, you name it, I most likely did it. My diabetes was so bad, my doctor kept telling me that I'd get vision loss, nerve damage, and kidney disease if I didn't change. But then I discovered the paleo diet. I wish I learned about it before I got sick and gained a lot of weight. It wasn't until a colleague at work told me that his neighbor had success with it that I started. I decided to give it a shot as I had nothing to lose. I finally discovered how to control my diabetes, lose the excess weight, and keep it off. After I used the simple recipes in the paleo diet, I was able to go from a depressed, overweight diabetic to a normal, diabetes-free, enjoyable life. I'm now able to go to the gym 3 to 4 days a week with incredible stamina. Not only that, it feels amazing no longer having to take medication. The following recipe is the exact one I've been using in my diet for the last 2 years. My wish is that it helps you achieve your goal like it did for me. Now on to the recipe. Cajun Butternut Squash Fries. Ingredients: 1 large butternut squash, ½ teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/8 teaspoon each of cayenne, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. Instructions: preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Carefully cut both ends of the squash. Using a vegetable peeler, peel the rind from the squash until you've peeled away the outside layers. Now discard the rind and cut the squash in half lengthwise. With a large spoon, scrape out the seeds and discard. Now cut into 4-inch by 1-inch sticks, about 2 cups. Refrigerate the remainder of the squash for another recipe. Now place these squash sticks in a medium mixing bowl. Add the oil, paprika, cayenne, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. Toss to coat. Transfer the squash to a baking sheet so the sticks are in a single layer and don't touch each other. Bake, turning the squash about every 5 minutes for 22 to 25 minutes or until the outsides are crisp and the insides are tender. And that's the recipe of the day. If you enjoyed this video, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to learn more about the paleo diet so you can experience improved sugar control and weight loss, then click the link below the video, take action, and go check it out. Again, click the link below, take action, and go check out the page there.